For many of us, our closest interaction with wild animals is restricted to their fleeting glimpse. We only get close to them in a cage where these animals are held in captivity. Jammu and Kashmir has always been an explorer's paradise. As one crosses the Khardungla Pass, which is considered by many to be the highest road in the world, we experience a new dimension of life. These high mountain peaks and the rarefied atmosphere may appear devoid of any life, but the Nubra Valley of Ladakh is home to one of the most unique and rare animals. A Bactrian camel has just made its presence felt in its vast desert home. Bactrian or double-humped camel has two humps instead of one. Originally found in the Gobi Desert of Mongolia, the Bactrian camel came to Nubra Valley of Ladakh from Yarkand almost 200 years ago. Initially, it was reared as a domestic animal for transport. But as the Silk Route lost its importance, the camel was left to fend for itself. And in the desert expanses of Nubra, it seems to be doing extremely well, and has since become an integral part of the rich wildlife here. The sights and sounds in Ladakh are exotic, and these sounds transform a human being to a different world. A river tern is trying its luck to catch a fish in the mighty Indus. But a wild ass or kiang seems to be interested in something different. The Numa Valley, which forms a part of Changthang Plateau, is famous for more reasons than one. This fertile plateau is not only home to the most diverse forms of birds and mammals, but is known as the only place where the state bird of J&K, the black-necked crane, migrates and nests for a brief period during the summers. The black-necked crane is a rare and threatened species of alpine crane. It migrates from the tablelands of Tibet and nests in the marshes and bogs of Hanli and Numa. As few as 15 to 30 birds migrate and nest in these peat mounds and produce a few young ones every year. It was thought earlier that very few black-necked cranes exist in the world, but recent surveys suggest that a substantial population of these cranes exists in the Tibetan plateau. Normally, one chick is born. The black-necked crane has by all means become a special symbol of conservation and protection.